My friends on the other side, boma munalandisa, boma anatenga madolo.
Please, thank you. Honorable member for Blantyre City South, you have the floor.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam Deputy Speaker. First of all, I would like to offer my sincere condolences to the Nessa and Bobe family as they have lost their loved one this morning, Doctor Victoria. She was someone I knew personally, and I was very touched this morning. So I would also like to appeal to the Minister of Defense, just like everybody else in the House, that may the family please face justice, because what happened this morning was very terrible. So I wanted to offer my sincere condolences to the family. Madam Speaker, thank you for recognizing the people of Blantyre City South Lunzu constituency to contribute to the debate of the State of the Nation address. I stand here today because of the people of Blantyre City South Lunzu that entrusted me with their vote, and I assure them that I'm fully committed to serving them with the dedication and integrity for the next 5 years and beyond. Madam Speaker, as this is my maiden speech and my first time to speak in this august House, allow me to congratulate you for becoming the second Deputy Speaker of the House, but also allow me to congratulate the first Deputy Speaker, Mr. Honorable Musowa, for ascending to that seat. Congratulations to the both of you. It is an honor to serve under your collective leadership, and I hope that we continue to demonstrate fairness, courage, and diligence. I have every confidence in your guidance as we work together in this House. Let me also congratulate His Excellency, the State President, Professor Atapatsidwa, on his victory on the 16th September general election. His proven leadership is exactly what Malawians have needed over the past 5 years. Madam Speaker, before I proceed, also allow me to express my deepest gratitude to the mighty God for His grace throughout my political journey to this Parliament. Standing here today is a true testimony that leadership is truly God-given.
Amen.
Being elected as Member of Parliament for Blantyre City South Lunzu has been both fulfilling and challenging, but it has also been profoundly meaningful. Having studied political science, it was always my dream to apply my knowledge in real service to my nation. In Malawi, very few people end up practicing exactly what they studied. And so to be here today, serving my constituency, is both a blessing and a privilege.
Amen. Amen.
I'm also inspired by my mother, Honorable Susan Dalama, who served in this House with distinction over a decade. Her humility and dedication taught me that leadership is ultimately about touching lives and uplifting communities. My passion has always been to contribute meaningfully to the development of this country, to be part of crafting solutions in areas such as education, healthcare, gender, youth empowerment. These are the issues that define the daily realities of our people, and it is in these areas that I intend to focus my energy and effort. Amen. Madam Speaker, the journey to this House, as I said, was without hardship. As a woman in politics, as a young woman in politics, the path is never straightforward. We face a lot of barriers that our male counterparts rarely encounter. We face deep-rooted stereotypes, bullying, intimidation, and the constant scrutiny of our character, appearances, and competence. You, Madam Speaker, and my fellow female honorables seated in this House know this reality all too well. In spite of these challenges, I stand here today as the only woman elected in the entire city of Blantyre in the 2025 general elections. In spite, a humbling honor and powerful reminder of what women can accomplish when they are trusted with leadership. The victory is not mine alone. It is a statement about strength, resilience, and capability of Malawian women. When given the opportunity, women do not just participate, they lead, they deliver, and they transform communities.
Amen.
Madam Speaker, the election in Blantyre City South Lunzu was tightly contested, and disagreements over the results took a matter to the High Court. I wish to commend the judiciary for its professionalism and fairness, and the Malawi Electoral Commission for also diligently carrying out its mandate. The court ultimately upheld the true will of the people, and for that I am eternally grateful. Throughout this difficult period, my people remained patient, steadfast, and unwavering in their support. This victory belongs to them. It reaffirms our collective belief that in Malawi, every vote counts, and that our justice system, when called upon, can and does protect the voice of the people. Madam Speaker, my deepest appreciation goes to my husband, Mr. Hami, my family, my campaign team, my friends, and for unwavering support. I also extend my sincere thanks to the traditional leaders of my constituency, T.A. Machinjiri and T.A. Kapeni, and especially Group Village Head Matenje, for her encouragement when others doubted me. I also honor the support of the many chiefs who stood by me. It is important for me, Madam Speaker, to mention these chiefs by name as they hold a special place in my heart. Fuma Kameza 1, Afuma Mbwanda, Afuma Nasiri, Afuma Mawela, Afuma Chiwasa, Afuma Chimwaza, Afuma Masame, Afuma Mapanda, Afuma Davide, Afuma Kachiswe, Afuma Chinseu, incoming Fumchiwere, Afuma Machombe, Afuma Mlenga, Afuma Chilembwe, and Afuma Mambweni. Above all, I also want to thank the people of Blantyre City South Lunzu who affectionately call me Mlela Kungwa. I will honor the title by serving them with humility and diligence. Madam Speaker, with acknowledgements made, allow me now to turn to the State of the Nation address that was delivered by His Excellency, Professor Arthur Peter Muntharika. I commend His Excellency for delivering such an inspiring, forward-looking, and unifying message, one that has restored hope and determination among Malawians. His focus on economic recovery, food security, infrastructure, and social empowerment speaks directly to the priorities of the people of Blantyre City South Lunzu. Guided by his nation vision, allow me to outline the pressing development priorities of my constituency. I will not be able to outline every development, but just the key ones. To begin with, Madam Speaker, the roads in Machinjiri are unacceptable for a city constituency. Although we lie within Blantyre City, we experience conditions similar to a remote area. As one writer observed, in Machinjiri, people drive on the left of the road as mandated, but they drive on whatever is left of the road. This accurately reflects the horrible conditions of the main road from Enejem Kameza through Rwanda, Tawira, Area 5 Nkolokoti to Koma. During rainy seasons, the situation becomes even worse. residents often wonder whether South Lunzu truly belongs to Blantyre City. Even more troubling, Madam Speaker, is the fact that the road from Area 5 through Area 10 to the main road to Zomba has multiple times been budgeted as a tarmac road in this very house, but on the ground it remains dusty, muddy, and impassable. My people from Blantyre South Lunzu rightly demand accountability for this road. The reformed CDF allocation will also, just as all the MPs have alluded, will also help our constituency to rehabilitate the main road from Peretia through Koma, Kolokoti, Chikapa, Tawira to Rwanda to NHM with street lights just to make the streets safe. Construction of the tarmac road from Koma to Machombe, Area 6 to Area 1. Completion of the tarmac road from Chikapa to Area 6 via Mbwanda. The roads will transform trade, movement, access to services. Madam Speaker, Machinjiri is one of the most densely populated areas in urban Malawi. Its young people and women possess enormous potential. Their greatest obstacle has always been lack of capital. The President's initiative for dedicating funding for women and youth entrepreneurship is exactly what the constituency has been waiting for. The excitement among the people is very overwhelming. They are ready to work, ready to innovate, and ready to build their own future. Madam Speaker, although our constituency is full of talented youth, we lack government technical college. This limits opportunities for skill development. With TVETA's support, I have trained about 780 youth in welding, other trades through 5 centers which are established, but this is only a fraction of what is needed. I look forward to working with the Minister of Labor, Skills and Innovation to secure construction for a fully fledged technical college in Machinjiri.
You have 5 minutes to go, Honorable.
Madam Speaker, in line with the President's improvement to public health, we would like to also construct a new health center in Chitukuko, Kolokoti, Chikapa Ward, St. Teresa, Kameza, South Lunzu Ward. We are also going to be able to provide ambulances for all 3 health centers. We are also going to extend building female and male wards at South Lunzu Health Center. We also plan to establish under 5 clinics in Kolokoti, Area 10 and Area 12. Madam Speaker, let me conclude as I do not have a lot of time left. Madam Speaker, the people of Blantyre City South Lunzu are ready to work with the government to realize the President's vision for an inclusive, prosperous and united Malawi. For years, our constituency was neglected. We saw trucks arrive at our ADMAX only to offload Madeya instead of maize. And our people asked, Kodibo Marimati and Tago South Lunzu Feziweto. At that level of disgrace was painful. And the people of South Lunzu were taken for granted. The previous administration failed Malawians. There was no forex, no electricity, no water, no maize, and ultimately gave us no hope. But Malawians spoke clearly through the ballots. They chose His Excellency Professor Atapatsidwa, a chosen leader who promises what he can deliver and delivers what he promises. As we say in Machinjiri, uyu ndi mtsogoleri osankhidwa ndi Yawe. Today we finally see the light at the end of the tunnel. We are making Malawi and Blantyre City South Lunzu great again. Malawians deserve a proven leader, and we are truly blessed to have a leader in Professor Atapatsidwa. For my constituency, this is a new dawn, a new president, a new member of parliament, and a renewed beginning. My friends on the other side, Boma munalandisa, Boma anatenga madolo. May God bless Blantyre City South Lunzu. May God bless Democratic Progressive Party. May God bless and sustain our state president, Professor Atapatsidwa. May God bless the Republic of Malawi. And Madam Speaker, I, together with the people of Blantyre City South Lunzu, submit. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Member. I now recognize the Honorable Member for Zomba Tondwe. Honorable Member, you have the floor.